In this video, I will show you how to see dislikes on YouTube. First, open the Google Chrome and click on the three dots in the top right corner, then go to Extensions and click on Manage Extensions. Now, click on the Chrome Web Store link on the left and in the search bar, type YouTube dislike and press Return to YouTube dislike. Find the extension and click Add to Chrome. Once installed, head over to YouTube and you'll now be able to see the number of dislikes on any video. For Opera GX, click on the extensions icon on the left sidebar. If it's not there, go to Settings, type Manage Sidebar and enable the extensions option. Next, return to the sidebar and click Get More Extensions. In the Opera add-on store, search for Dislikes for YouTube and install the extension by clicking Add to Opera. Now open YouTube and just like that, you'll see the dislike count appear beneath videos. You can follow similar steps for other browsers as well using the same extension. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.